Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The link will be in the description. Now we're gonna cut to the chase and start with the first topic from unit number 4, reporting clauses. To report what someone says, thinks, and believes, you can use expressions such as many people agree and some people say. The use of the word that is optional, especially when speaking. Reporting clauses come in handy when talking about culture, traditions, customs, and superstitions from different parts of the world. For example, number 1. In Turkey, many people agree that when someone goes on a journey, you should pour water on the ground behind him or her. Number 2. In Venezuela, some people say that if someone passes a broom over your feet, you will never get married. Keep in mind that the previous reporting verbs like agree and say in phrases like many people agree and some people say can be replaced by one of the verbs in the following list. Verbs like argue, assert, claim, report, or admit, agree, assume, believe, doubt, explain, feel, and say, creating phrases like many people claim, many people report, or some people believe, some people assume that. The verb you use is going to be up to you and the message you want to convey. Now, in reporting clauses, verbs such as admit, agree, announce, comment, complain, confess, disclose, explain, inform, and reveal are frequently followed by indirect object. In this case, that should be retained for clarity. For example, number 1. Several people agree with me that logic, not superstition, is the best way to make decisions. Number 2. Max explained to the teacher that a black cat never means bad luck in his country. Number 3. Most of us confess to the class that we believe in superstitions. Now, of the following nouns: accusation, argument, assertion, claim, comment, decision, explanation, remark, response, and suggestion are also often used in reporting clauses. Here, too, that is helpful in making the meaning clear and should be retained. For example, number 1. Bill made the assertion that he would have no luck at all if he weren't for bad luck. Number 2. Liliana repeated her argument that only foolish people believe in magic. Number 3. The class rejected Nidan's suggestion that we cancel class on Friday the 13th. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.